Need reliable auto repair in Vancouver, Washington, but worried about getting around while your vehicle is in the shop? At Ron's Auto and RV, you get expert service from ASE-Certified technicians who are trained to diagnose and repair everything from check engine lights and timing belts to muffler issues and more. What makes Ron's Auto and RV different? Convenience. Our shop is located near major C-Tran bus routes, making it easy to drop off your vehicle and continue your day without missing work, errands, or appointments. We believe in honest, transparent service. Before any repairs begin, our team provides a detailed inspection, estimate, and completion timeline so you're always informed and in control. Plus, all repairs are backed by our 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty, giving you confidence long after you leave the shop. For trusted auto repair in Vancouver, Washington, choose the team that's been serving the community since 1976. Call Ron's Auto and RV today at 3605-583-150 and schedule your appointment.